Hello friends, welcome back. Today I'll teach you how to download Google Drive videos to your iPhone. To start, you open up your Google Drive on your iPhone device. Now, to save a video to the gallery, let's try saving this video to the gallery. You tap the three dots beside the video. Then, you click on Open In, and the video will be downloading or exporting. Once it's downloaded, you scroll up and click on Save to Files. So you choose how you want to save it, maybe to your Xender, your VLC, or to the iPhone. So I'll be selecting on my iPhone, and you click the Save button at the top of the screen. Now, you close the Google Drive app and open the Files app on your iPhone device. So, these are all the files on your iPhone device. Now you can see that the saved video is shown here. Now, to save the video to your camera roll, you long press on the video, you select Share, you scroll up and click on Save Video. Now, to see if truly the video has been saved to the camera roll, you close this app and you open your Photos app. And here it is, guys. This is the video we just saved now. So, you have successfully downloaded videos from your Google Drive to your iPhone device. That's all for the video. Please ensure to give it a try, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more video tips like this. Bye guys, see you in the next video.